welcome to first grade. Today we are going to go over counting numbers on the number line, introducing students to the greater than, equal to, and less than signs in first grade. The California State Standards states that students at this level will compare two two-digit numbers based on meanings of the tens and ones digit, recording the results of comparisons with the symbols greater than, equal to, and less than. I will begin my instruction by reviewing with students what we have previously learned. Class, let's count these numbers together, starting with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm going to circle 6. And then I'm going to ask you a question. Pay attention, ears on, mouths closed, sit crisscross applesauce, and focus on the next question. Okay, are you ready? What numbers are more than 6? So you see how I circled 6, class? Look at all of the numbers that are more than 6. I will give you some time to think. Are you ready? Okay. Do you see how I created an arrow that says greater than? The word more than and greater than are the same. So think to yourself, what numbers are greater than 6? I have 4, 7, and 10. Can I get a quiet hand? Yes, you are correct. The numbers that are greater than 6 are 7 and 10 because they are above 6. Look it, you got the correct answer. Does everyone understand? Great, let's move on. Oh no, I have a challenge question. Okay, this one's hard. Is 15 greater than 6? You are correct. 15 is greater than 6. 15 is greater than 6 because it's above 6. Any number that is above the number that we are looking at is greater than that number. Okay, let's move on to less than 6. Can someone give me an example of what number is less than 6? Good job. 3. 3 is a number that is less than 6. It's a number that comes before that number. See how I have an arrow going down? It's going towards 0. So again, what numbers are less than 6? Is it 4, 7, or 2? I'm waiting for a quiet hand to tell me what numbers are less than 6. Good job. It's 4 and 2. Ta-da! You got the answer. Nice work. Does everyone understand where we got less than for 4 and 2? Great. Does everyone understand the difference between greater than and less than? Awesome. Let's move on. There are symbols that recognize what we had just talked about. There is a less than sign, which states when one value is smaller than another, we use a less than symbol. There's a greater than sign, which states when one value is bigger than another, we use a greater than sign. And then there's an equal sign. When two values are equal, we will use the equal sign. Okay, let's put this in our memory box, and we are going to save it for later. Now let's jump into bigger numbers. Is everyone ready to jump into bigger numbers? Awesome. I love how much you guys want to challenge yourself. We will use a number line to complete this answer, but keep in mind there are other ways to complete these answers. But for now, as I introduce this concept, we are going to use a number line. So my first question, and we will do this together, is 52 greater than, less than, or equal to 60? So let's start at 52. That is our number that we are comparing. And then let's look at 60. Oh, there's 60. Good job. We are going to circle 60 and we're going to circle 52. Now, we're going to start at 52. Is it greater than, less than, or equal to? Remember when I said less than goes towards 0? Remember when I said 6 greater than goes towards a bigger number? So if we look at 52, which way are we heading to get to 60? Show me the correct symbol on your whiteboards. "52 is less than 60. The correct symbol is less than. This is the less than symbol. When one number is smaller than the other number, we use a less than sign. So what does it mean if two numbers are equal? Let's have a class discussion. Good job. It means that they are the same. When two numbers are the same, we use an equal sign. Example, if 52 equals 52, there is an equal sign between both numbers. They are equal to each other. My next question is 73 greater than, less than, or equal to 80? So I put a star next to 73. I put a star next to 80. Our starting number is 73. If we are looking to get to 80, are we going up the number line or are we going down the number line towards 0? Correct. We are going up the number line. So what symbol do we put between 73 and 80? You are correct. It is greater than. I love how quickly you guys are learning. All right, here's another way of looking at it using stars. This cluster of stars, how many stars are there? Yes, there are 5 stars. And how many stars on this side? You are correct. There are 3 stars. So the question is, 5 is greater than, less than, or equal to 3? Yep. That is the sign. 5 is greater than 3. Nice work. Another way of looking at it is also remembering that an alligator's mouth is bigger than a bird's beak. I'm going to repeat that again. An alligator's mouth, look at the greater than sign. Do you see the alligator's mouth? Is bigger than the bird's beak. Do you also see the bird's beak? The less than sign. So when a number is greater than the other number that we're comparing, we use the alligator's mouth. But when a number is smaller than the number we're comparing, we use the bird's beak, which is the less than sign. Okay, class, now it's your turn. On your whiteboard, write your answer and your work. 45 is greater than, less than, or equal to 98? All right, I'm going to show the answer. Oh, I love how you guys use sticks on your whiteboards. I loved how some of you use stars. The answer is less than. Good job.